Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to secure your WhatsApp account with two-step verification. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. Think someone got your WhatsApp verification code, but be sure no one can log in to your WhatsApp account with that verification code in another device. Now I am going to show you how to secure your WhatsApp account with two-step verification. Go to your WhatsApp account. Now click on three dot icon on upper right corner. Now click on settings. Now click on account. Here you will find an option two-step verification. Click on two-step verification. Now click on turn on. Here type your 6-digit PIN number. Again confirm your PIN number. Now click on save. You can add your email address by clicking here. It's optional, or you can skip this option. I'm going to skip. Now click on skip email. Two-step verification is turned on. If you want, anytime you can turn your two-step verification off, or if you want you can change your PIN number also. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.